Welcome back to LaCrestaLife. Today, in our Nuts and Bolts series, we're going to learn about buying a fixer.
Growing up in Texas, I've always loved the country. As an adult, I found myself in Southern California, searching for the good life. It wasn't until 2002 that I discovered my true paradise, the beautiful hilltop community of La Cresta, high above the Temecula Valley. Now, I want to show others how they can live their best life as well. I'm Kelly Smith. Come with me as we explore my little piece of heaven. This is LaCrestaLife.
So the marriage between buying the perfect house, which is very, very rare to find, and building one from scratch is to buy a fixer. Buy one that's got good bones and do what you want to it. In the case where I'm standing now, we've got a lot of renovations going on. These property owners bought the house based on location and acreage and view, but it wasn't quite the house that they wanted. So my husband's company, ABC Sage, is tearing off basically the backside of the house and building what these folks want. So they're getting the house they want, they're saving money because they bought the infrastructure already existent on the property, and they're going to end up with a beautiful, beautiful property. The things that you want to think about when you're buying a fixer are the things that you can't change, such as proximity to the stores and the things that you may want to attend. The land itself, while it can be improved, you need to really be happy about the land and the way it sort of already exists. You also need to be happy with the location within the community, because those are things you can't change, and you can't really change the view unless you build 2 stories on top of 1 story and create your own view. But some of the things that will save you money are thinking about buying a fixer and already looking at the infrastructure. There may be irrigation, there may be utilities. In fact, there will be if you bought a fixer. So you're going to save money there over building from scratch. Also, in our county, we have school fees. So if a house already exists, the original fees to build, which include the school fees, the permit fees, all the time that it takes to get permits, all of that is mitigated, and you can kind of get from A to Z a little quicker. In fact, a lot quicker than buying land and building from scratch. Not that that's not fun, and we talk about that in future episodes. So long story short, in buying a fixer, you can save time, you can save money, you got to have a master plan, you got to have a little patience, but it can be a real win, especially when inventory is tight and you're not finding the exact home that you want. Think outside the box a little bit, get creative, and see if you can't put your next stamp on something that already exists. Thanks for joining us on LaCrestaLife. From the fixer on the plateau, we'll see you next time. Got questions about buying or selling a home in La Cresta or the Santa Rosa Plateau? Call or text me, Kelly Smith, at 951-837-1650. For a free copy of my exclusive reports on La Cresta, visit my website at lacresta.com. This is Kelly Smith. Until next time on LaCrestaLife.